Hello kids, how are you today? Today I will show you finger painting technique. So what we will need? We will need 2-3 colors. Okay? I have taken this pink, white and green color. Mix it well. Okay? Let us concentrate on the black paper. Okay, then wipe your hand, take white color, same way mix the white color. Okay, our flower is ready. Then next step, wipe your hand, take green color, dip your finger into green color. Okay, then go up, come back, go up, come back, same way. Our flower is ready now.